you are not feeling cold. So, alright, I've heard it a lot from people. They'll be saying this thing that I'm feeling cold, I'm feeling cold, I'm feeling cold. No, you are not feeling cold. So what you are not feeling cold? Let me tell you the reason why you are not feeling cold. So the thing is that cold does not exist. Yes, cold does not exist, but heat does. So why does cold does not exist and why does heat exist? So the first thing is that what does it mean for something to exist? So for something to exist, it can be referred to as a state of being alive or the continuation of being or living. That is the continuation of living or being alive. So for code to exist, we have to be able to make more of it as much as we want. And for that is it. For something to exist, we have to be able to make more from it as much as we want. And even for it to exist, we have to be able to make more of it as much as we want. But the thing is that there's a certain degree or level of temperature that we will reach that we cannot make anything to be colder, which we know as the absolute temperature. It is a temperature where every atomic or molecular motion will be minimal. That is, they can also freeze. It will be minimal. So at that temperature, we cannot make it to be colder. That is the minimum temperature that we can make anything to be, and it's called the absolute temperature. So what of heat? Heat exists because we can make heat as much as we want. We can make 1,000 degree, 1,000,000 degree, 1,000,000,000,000 degree, hundreds of trillion degrees of Celsius of heat as much as we want. So that is why heat exists. So but if cold does not exist and heat does, so what are we feeling when we say we are feeling cold? So the thing is that you are not feeling cold. What you are feeling is the absence of heat. So immediately heat is being applied, boom, cold is gone. So let's take for example your AC, that is the air conditioner, or your refrigerator. All they basically do is they take the heat and put it elsewhere. If you check the back of your refrigerator, you see some coil at the back. That is where all the heat inside of your refrigerator go to. So what anything that make any environment to be colder, what they basically do is that they take the heat from that particular place and put it elsewhere. They don't you can't make cold because it does not exist. You can't make something to be colder because cold does not exist, but heat does. And the heat is the one that, if you want something to be colder, all you basically have to do is to take the heat from that thing elsewhere. That is what your refrigerator does. That's what your AC condition do. That's what they do. So if you want to make heat, this is what you can do. You can just rub your hand together. You are making heat. How do you make cold? You take the heat away. If you stop, your hand will cool. Or you can use your gas stove. When you light it, you are making heat. Or hot plate or iron. All those stuff, they are making heat. But to make cold, since cold does not exist, all you basically have to do is to take the heat away. So what I feel is not cold is absent of temperature. Thank you.